Theodolite is that instrument in civil engineering specifically in serving that every engineer, every civil engineer should be totally aware about. There are several parts of theodolite that every civil engineer should be aware about. Okay, so this sheet, this specific interactive sheet focuses on essentials of a transit theodolite. This is a PDF, alright, and in this PDF we have done what? We have a theodolite showing all its components. Okay, so how to use this sheet? So the statement is saying click here to explore the components of transit theodolite. Here we go. Okay, if you click over here, then you will go to an image which is showing all the component parts of a theodolite. Okay, ranging from starting from component 1, which is telescope, and ending to the component number 23, which is the tripod that supports the instrument. Now how to use this sheet? See, the instruction is saying click on the number tag pointing the component of theodolite to know more about it. You can come back to this page by clicking go to main diagram button given on every page. So we want to know about this component number, let's say, okay, 22. Okay, so what we have to do? You just have to tap on 22. Okay, if you tap on 22, you will go to the diagram which is specifically focusing, which is specifically showing what that component is. Okay, and that specific component is highlighted in red color. Okay, all the other components are grayscaled or they are shown in black and white. Okay, so this component number 22 is nothing but vertical circle clamp, and description, its utility is provided here, that is, it is used to clamp the telescope in any plane and at any vertical angle. Okay, now if you want to see some another component, what you have to do? You have to click in the bottom right, which is saying go to main page. Okay, let's try clicking going to main page. Alright, we are back at the diagram which is showing the main diagram. Okay, now if we want to see what component number, let's say 14 is saying, okay, it is what? Leveling head, and description of the leveling head is provided here. Okay, once you are done with knowing that specific component, you can always go back to main page. Okay, it will load, it will take few seconds to load because there are so much data cramped in one single image. Okay, so I hope this specific PDF will be very much useful to know about introduction of theodolite, because when we are going to use the theodolite, when we are going to discuss theodolite in detail, once you come to know regarding all the component, all the utilities, all the small parts of the theodolite, it will be easier to learn and cope up with the instrument. Okay, so where you are going to find this PDF? Do find the link for Telegram channel of Simplified Learning, where in the file menu you will find this specific PDF. Okay, do not forget to join the Telegram channel also. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.